Hello everyone. Today we are here to see how to catch a bird. You first take a stick that can be curved in direction. You take your rope. You wrap it. You tight it very well. You tight it and you measure. Here to here distance is good. You put it there. You take your broom. Like this. Your final decision will be this. And you do like this. Open like this. The distance is good, so you hold here. You hold here and put your small broom. You tight it here. Tight it very strong. You get it like this. So come and let me show how to make a bird trap. You take your broom. This. Here. You put it here. You take a blocks, but I'll take a blocks. You put it under the blocks. It will be this. You get it like this. You put it like this. Nothing changed from here. this here to here. So you take a stick that can go down. This stick you take a nail, you put it there, and you measure where this thing is here. So you put the nail there. You take your stone, like this. You take another thing like to put it here. You put it here. This thing like this. So it's okay, it's okay. You take your broom, this broom, you put it here. So you use your slipper to clean here. Here should be neat. Should be look attractive, which the bird likes. Like this. Like this. Like this. You take a distance from here to there. From here to there. Like this. So come back on your this thing. You put it here like this. You hold it like this. You put it here like this. You put your broom there. Like this. So we come back here. You curve it. You use to put inside the hole there. You open. You open to the broom. Like this. This is how we use it to catch bird trap. This things bird trap. You put soil onto the rope where it cannot be seen. Like this. Your final answer will be this. Look at how the trap have been done. Here is bricks. You put under it, the stick under the bricks. You curve it. You put a nail here. And under here. You use your rope to be here. And then you open your rope. And you take a soil. Put it on it. My name is Sterling. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Friends, let's see. We are going to see whether the trap catch some bird. Let's go. Gradually, step by step. it, the trap is very good. I'll get some bed. I'll get some bed. The trap. The trap is very nice. See, this is my trap. Here the stick. Let me remove the bed and you see it clearly. This is the bed. So please